dear second class children, welcome to maths class. I am going to start FA1 revision. We having end of this month means 29, 30th and 31st 3 days. We having FA1 exam. Formative assessment 1 exam. Prepare well for exam. The question goes to chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 is numbers up to 200. Chapter 2 addition of 2-digit numbers and tables from 2 to 7 tables. Okay, once again the syllabus goes to chapter 1 and 2, tables from 2 to 7. Chapter 1 numbers up to 200. Chapter 2 addition of 2-digit numbers. Now I am going to revise 2 chapters for exam. You take your homework book and write each Roman and practice in your homework book. Already I sent some revision sheets and I sent 25th, 26th and 27th 3 days 3 revision sheets. You follow that revision sheets and watch this video and prepare well for FA1 exam for 25 marks. Okay my dear children, ready? Now open your homework book and start revision. Okay, ready? First row. First row one. First one goes to number names. That means write the number name. Write the number name. In this one I gave 10 concepts. Those are going to first one. Write the number names. Write the number name of the given number. Okay. What are the concepts I am going to give? You write in your homework book. Suppose I given for example not exact number. Okay. 184. Number name means we are going to write like this. ONE 100 HUNDRED 184. No need to write and. EIGHTY 80 FOUR 4. This is the number name of this number. Number and number name. Number and number name. 184. Next number 136. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 SIM 6. One more number 169. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 SIXTY 60 NINE 9. These are going to number names. Okay, number names of numbers from 1 to 200. Here in this chapter they given up to 200 only. That means 100 is the first 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. 99 comes before 100. 100 comes after 99. When we add 1 to 99 we get 100. When we add 1 to 99 we get 100. 100 is the first 3-digit number. Okay. Can I go to next one? Next one. Write the number. Write the number or numeral. Write the number. Now read the spelling and write the number. Read the spelling and write the number. Practice in your homework book. See first one. 120. 120. 3-digit numbers, no? Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. 120. 20. This is going to 120. Like that, you have to practice these two number names. Write numbers. 143. Again, put the places. Hundreds, tens, ones. 100. 1 right in the hundreds place. 40. 4 right in the tens place. 3. 3 right in the ones place. Next, 192. Again, keep the places. 100. 1 right in the hundreds place. 90. 9 right in the tens place. 2 right in the ones place. Okay? Next one. Come on, write down. Note down. Next one. Next one goes to face value and place value. Face value and place value. Face value, we write the same number, the digit itself. We write the same number, same digit. Place value depending upon the place. Depending upon the place. Here you have to write the face value and place value of the underlying digit. I am going to underline one number only. You have to see that number. That number is in which place? Write place value. Come on. 178. I am going to underline this number. First write face value. Face value of the underlying number. Place value of the underlying number. Face value and place value I am writing down. See. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Face value not changing. Write same number only. Now place value. 8 is in the ones place. That means the place value of 8 is 8 only. Understood? How to write face value and place value? Next number. Second number. 156. I am going to underline 1 in the given number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First write face value of the underlying number. Next, place value of the underlying number. I keep dash for this number 1. 1 is first write face value. Does not change. Write same number. Place value. 1 is in the hundreds place. That means the value of this 1 goes to, yes, 100. Okay, understood? One more example. Third one. 143. I am going to underline 4. First write face value. Face value. Next, place value. Face value does not change. 4 only comes. Place value depending upon the place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 4 is in the tens place. That means 4 tens means 40. Okay, understood? How to write face value and place value? Okay. Next one. Next one. Number names, numbers, face value, place value. Next, expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Given number is 134. Write expanded form. Another number is Yes, note down. Next number is, this is going to write in expanded form. First we are going to keep in places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This expanded form goes to in two ways, in words and in figure. Both are same. Writing words or writing figure. Figure means number. Now I am going to write in number. See, start from 3-digit number. 3-digit numbers start from 100. That's why we write expanded form means start from, yes, left side number. That means hundreds. 1 is in the hundreds place. 1 is in the hundreds place. That means 100. 3 is in the tens place. 30. 4 is in the ones place. 4 ones 4. This is going to expanded form of 134. 100 plus 30 plus 4. Next number. 167. 1 is in the hundreds place. 100. 6 is in the tens place. 6 tens. 60. 7 is in the ones place. 7 ones. 7. Next one. 188. 1 is in the hundreds place. 100. 8 is in the tens place. 8 tens. 80. 8 is in the ones place. 8 ones. 80. This is going to expanded form of the given numbers. Expanded form of the given numbers. Note down, my dear children. Understood? Go to next one, Nana. Come on, go to next one. Yes. Write the correct numeral for the corresponding number or write the short form. Short form means write the number. Short form means write the number. Okay? Come on. Short form. SHORT. Short. FORM. Write the short form of the given number. See, the number goes in words or number. 100 plus 20 plus 4. 100 plus 0 plus 9. 100 plus 6 tens plus 3 ones. This is also expanded form. Write the short form of the given expanded form. 100 plus 20 plus 4. The expanded form start with 100. That means put the places. Hundreds, tens, ones. 100. Write 1 in the hundreds place. 20. 2 in the tens place. 4. Write in the ones place. The short form goes to 124. Short form means number. Next one. 100 plus 0 plus 9. Again put 3 places. Hundreds, tens, ones. 100. 1 write in the hundreds place. No tens means you also put 0 in the tens place. Now 9 write in the ones place. The short form goes to 100. 9. We get the number. Next 100 plus 6 tens plus 3 ones. Again this expanded form start with 100. Put the places. Hundreds, tens, ones. How many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 6. How many ones? 3. 163. This is expanded form. This is short form. Okay, my dear children. Can I go to next one? Come on, note down. Ready na? Okay. Next one. Symbols. How to put the symbols? Greater than, less than, equal. Greater than, less than, equal in between the given numbers. Put the symbols. SYM, BOLS. Greater than, less than, or equal. Here you have to remember one thing. 2-digit number is always less than 3-digit number. 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. Okay? Let us see. 148 and 136. Both are 3-digit numbers. First compare hundreds. Both numbers having 1 is common. Now goes to compare tens. Here 4 tens, here 3 tens. 4 is greater than 3. That means 148 is greater than 136. Okay? Understood how to compare the given numbers? Okay. Another example. 151 and 157. Hundreds place number is same. Tens place number also same. Now going to compare ones place. Here 1, here 7. 1 is less than 7. That means 151 is less than 157. Understood? This is small. This is big. Another number. 97 and 197. 2-digit number. Ones place, tens place. No hundreds. Ones place, tens place, hundreds. Then which is big? This is big. Why? 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. Then 97 is less than 197. We are going to keeping the given symbols like this. Okay? Another one. 112 and 129. 1 is common in the hundreds place. Compare tens. Here 1, here 2. 1 is less than 2. That means 112 is less than 129. 144 and 144. Which symbol? Equal to. Hundreds are same. Tens also same. Ones also same. That's why 144 is equal to 144. Understood? Okay. Next one. After, before, between numbers. What comes after? That means successor. What comes before? Predecessor. Between, the middle number. Okay? These are also up to 200 only. After, before, between. After number of 146. After number of 171. After number of 102. Next, before number of 137. Before number of 188. Before number of 140. Before. Front number. After. Next number. Now between numbers. 111 and 113. What comes in between 111 and 113? Yes, 112. Next. 148 and 150. The between number. Yes. 175 and 177. Come on, note down. After numbers, next number. Before, front number. Between, middle number. Okay? After number. What comes after 146? What comes after 171? What comes after 102? What comes before 137? What comes before 188? The before number of 114. The between number of 111 and 113. Between number of 113 148 and 150. The between number of 175 and 176. Between means after and before. Okay. Next one. These all are for revision. FA1 revision. You practice in your homework book. Next, ascending order and descending order of the given numbers. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, small number to big number. Descending order, big number to small number. 148, 166, 170, 189, 153. These are the given numbers. First order goes to ascending order, second one goes to descending order. Ascending order, we arrange the given numbers small number to big number. First goes to ascending order. All the ones, tens, hundreds place having 1, no comparison. Goes to compare, yes, tens, 4, 6, 1, 8, 5. Which is small? 1. That means 117 comes in the first place. Okay, next 148, 166, 189, 153. Yes, 148. Next 153. Next 166. Next 189. That means 189 is big, 117 is small. Now the given numbers are small to big. This is ascending order. AO means ascending order. Now descending order means we write the numbers big to small. This is big, no? Write in reverse order. Same numbers arrange in reverse. See, 189, 166, 153, 148, 117. This is going to ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, small number to big number. Descending order, big number to small number. Understood? Next one. Even numbers, odd numbers. Which number goes to even? Which number goes to odd? Right? Even or odd. Right? Even or odd. 75, 124, 89, 61, 137, 148. Look at the given number 75. First of all, even. The numbers which having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, those are even. The numbers which having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place, those are odd. Now check out 5. Yes, 5 is odd number. That means 75 is odd. Now 124, 4 is in the ones place, 4 is even, even. 89, 9 is odd, 89 is odd. 61, 1 is odd, 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 61 is odd. 137, 7 is in the ones place, that means 137 is odd number. 148, 8 is in the ones place, that means 148 is even, ones place. This is ones place. In the, if the given numbers having in the ones place 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are there, those are even. The given numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place, those are odd. That means check the ones place number and identify the given number goes to even or odd. Next one. Ordinal numbers. Right? Ordinal numbers. Ordinal number shows position or order. Position or order. What is it? Write the ordinal numbers for the given numbers. Come on. 1ST. How to write first? F5 or ST. Okay? Next up. 4TH. How to write in words? F4URTH. Fourth. 7TH. Seventh. SEVNTH. This is number name. 9TH. Ninth. NINTH. No E in the ordinal number. General number, normal number having E, but ordinal number having no E. Next up. 3RT. 3RT na third. 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 5TH. Fifth. FIFTH. We are going to write the ordinal numbers like this. First. How to read it? First. FIRST. Fourth. FOURTH. Seventh. SEVENTH. Ninth. NINTH. Third. THIRD. Fifth. FIFTH. These are ordinal numbers. Next. Add the following. Add the following. 3 plus 4 plus 5. Find the total. 6 plus 7 plus 4. Third one. 23 plus 40 plus 32. Next one. 68 plus 50 plus 30. Come on, find the totals. Note down and find the totals. These are going to add the following addition. Okay? Note down. Next one. Fifth one. Correct? Okay, I write down. 43 plus 56. Find the totals. Sixth one. 68 plus 27. Find the totals. Add means plus. Plus C symbol for addition. Plus C symbol for addition. Start from addition here. 3 lines are there. First add these two numbers, then go to third number. Add these two numbers, then go to third number. First adding ones, write in the ones place, then adding tens, write in the tens place. Here also, first adding ones. If you get a 2-digit number, that is going to regrouping. Regrouping means, yes, forward. Okay? Yes. Here also, adding ones, write in the ones place. Then go to adding tens and write in the tens place. Adding ones. If you get 2-digit number, that is going to regrouping. We are going to forward. Okay? Start counting from forward number and these numbers. Okay? Carry forward. Without regrouping, with regrouping. Are you note down? Come on, note down. Practice in your homework book. Ready? Okay, next word problems. Yes, word problems. Word problems. problems. See, yes, addition word problems. I will tell you 2 or 3 word problems. You have to practice in our textbook exercise 2E Nana, page number 34. 2E, page number 34. We are having 5 word problems. You have to practice that. I gave you now 2 word problems. See, word problems. 25 boys. 25 boys and 36 girls went to the park. Park to play. How many children were there in all? In all is addition word. How many boys? 25 boys. How many girls? 36 girls. Right answer. Number of boys. This is read as number of. Underline and put the 2 dots. Number of boys. Second one, number of girls. Already I revised this word problem. Next, how many children? The answer of addition is called total. In all means addition. The answer is called total. Total number of children. The given children, that's why we also write children. Number of boys 25. Number of girls 36. Total number of children. We get the answer by addition. 5 plus 6 11. Regrouping. 1 right here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4 5 6. We get the total by addition. Word problem. Number of boys, number of girls, total number of children. Come on children, observe. Next one. Come on children. See next question. The teacher distributed 25 English books and 41 maths books to the children in the class. How many books did she distribute in all? How many English books? 25. How many maths books? 41. How many books did she distribute in all? In all goes to addition word. Answer goes to, here given 2 numbers 25 and 41. 25 goes to number of English books. Number of English books. Okay. Second one, number of maths books. Write words as it is. No need to write other words. You see the question and write. How many books did she distribute in all? In all goes to addition word. What is the answer called in the addition? Total. The result of addition is called total. Here we are doing addition. We are going to combine these 2 numbers. Total. T-O-T-A-L. Total number of books she distributed in the class. Simple writing. Number of English books, number of maths books, total number of books. Why you are going to write total? In all, addition word. Here we get the answer by addition. Number of English books 25. Number of maths books 41. Find the total. Put the symbol plus. Add from ones. 5 plus 1 6. Now adding tens. 2 plus 4. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5 6. Total number of books are 66. Come on. Number of English books equal to 25. Number of maths books equal to 41. In all means total number of books 25 plus 41 66. Okay my dear children, see in your textbook exercise 2E I given these answers in our classwork. Once again you check these answers. I send you word problems in revision practice sheet. You practice those word problems also my dear children. Next Roman goes to tables. How many tables I am going to given for you? 2 table to 7 table. You have to learn all the tables. 2 table, 3 table, table of 4, table of 5, table of 6, table of 7. Already you learned in the first class. If you are forget, you have time, so much time. Every day read morning and evening. Practice tables, you get perfectly. Next one, blanks. Already you wrote 6 objective type exam, online exam. All the blanks you know. Once again I am going to revise that simple blanks. Numbers up to 200. What is the first 3-digit number? 100. What is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Number plus 1, next number. 0 plus number, same number. Okay. Next number name, number, expanded form. When we add 1 to 99, we get 100. 10 tens equal 100. Next 200 means how to write 200? We are going to write 200 like this, no? Ones, tens, hundreds. These are known. Next one, tables and blanks. You have to practice for FA1 exam. Prepare well for exam and practice revision practice sheets and watch this video and write neatly. Okay children, learn tables. If you are given more practice, you get perfection. And all the best my dear children. Take care. Bye.